Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that's all about nurturing your body's delicate balance using essential oils to support your endocrine system. Now, our endocrine system plays a crucial role in regulating our hormones and maintaining overall health. So let's dive into how essential oils can help support the various components of the endocrine system. Now, before we get into the essential oils, let's briefly understand the endocrine system. It's a complex network of glands that produces hormones that control various bodily functions. So from the adrenal glands to the ovaries, each gland has a unique role in maintaining harmony within the body. To start, let's discuss essential oils that will promote hormone balance. Now, essential oils like clary sage, geranium, and lavender are known for their hormone-regulating properties. Now, these oils can help alleviate symptoms of hormonal imbalances, such as mood swings, menstrual irregularities, and even menopausal discomfort. Now, our adrenal glands and our pituitary gland plays a vital role in stress response and hormone regulation. For adrenal support, let's consider oils like frankincense, rosemary, and bergamot. Now, these oils can help manage stress and support overall adrenal health. Now, the hypothalamus and the pineal gland are central to regulating sleep patterns and circadian rhythms. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and cedarwood are renowned for their calming effects, aiding with relaxation and promoting health with sleep patterns. Now, maintaining a healthy thyroid and thalamus is essential for a robust immune system and metabolism. Oils like myrrh, eucalyptus, and lemongrass can provide support for these glands, helping to keep them functioning optimally. Now, the islet of Langerhans within the pancreas plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. So essential oils like cinnamon, coriander, and rosemary are believed to have potential benefits in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Ladies, let's talk about ovarian health. Clary sage, fennel, and rose oils are often used to support menstrual cycle regularity and overall ovarian well-being. Incorporating essential oils into your wellness routine can be a fantastic way to support your endocrine system's harmony. Remember that these essential oils can complement a healthy lifestyle and should not replace medical advice. So before use, you want to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant. Well, thank you so much for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through essential oils for the endocrine system. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.